Includes U-bolt, spacer block, knobs, and top plate. Durable construction. Built to the same quality standards as all Rola product. Replacement hardware mounting kit for the Vortex Rooftop Cargo Carrier from Rola. The Vortex replacement hardware mounting kit includes U-bolt, spacer block, knobs, and top plate. With durable construction, this replacement hardware kit is built to the same quality standards as all Rola product. Top reviews from the United States. Better than the original. I have a Curt roof basket and the original mounting brackets were horrible knuckle busters. I didn't have the roof basket on 365 days a year, choosing only to put it up before going on long trips when I needed the extra storage. I ended up using a sawzall and cutting the old brackets off. These new mounting brackets pop on like a breeze and the nuts spin right on easily. They fit my Curt roof basket perfectly. My only criticism is they are kind of expensive at $20 a pop.